Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are very good, fit, and fine, and using your time properly in your studies, okay? So, today we will start a new chapter in your English 2, that is kindness of stranger. Dear students, do you know what do you mean by kindness? The kindness means the quality of being kind, helpful, considerate, caring towards others, to help others, to show your gentle behavior to others. Okay, so here in this story, a stranger is there. Stranger means the person whom we don't know. Okay, so here a stranger shows his kindness towards Mary and her family. Okay, he helped them out in certain manner. So in what manner, that you will get to know in this story. So let us start with this story. There is one question. Can you be kind to a stranger? Can you? If yes, it is very good. We should help others. To a known person or to an unknown person, we should help those who are in need. How do you feel when a stranger is not kind to you? So, what kind of feeling do you get when a stranger is not kind to you, not trying to help you, okay, not willing to help you? You feel so bad. Okay, it is the genuine quality. So here in this chapter, let us begin. Mary was a single parent. Maybe her husband is not there no more in this world. Okay, so she single-handedly takes care of her family. In her family, it includes three sons of her. Mary was a single parent. She had to bring up her three sons. She worked as a teacher and had a modest income. So she used to work as a teacher in some school, and she had a modest income, means her income is not too high or not too low, just the reasonable nominal income, and which she has to use very wisely, okay, very carefully. She and her families She and her family had to use the money carefully. One day, her eldest son, her eldest son, his name is David. Her eldest son David told her, I want a bicycle. He wanted a bicycle. His mother asked him, why do you want a bicycle? David told her after school he would deliver pamphlets and earn some money. So he wanted to do some part-time job, and for that he asked for a bicycle from his mother. Okay, for what? He wanted to deliver some pamphlets. Okay, some advertisement is there in some paper with the newspaper when it came. So like that, he wanted to deliver some pamphlets to earn some money for his family. So for that, he wanted a bicycle. The family saved up, and soon David was the proud owner of a second hand bicycle. Second hand bicycle means the first owner of the bicycle, okay, when he used the bicycle and then he wanted to sell it off. So when the second owner goes and buys the bicycle from that first owner, that is second hand bicycle. So one afternoon, Mary asked him to buy some provisions from the supermarket. Some some things she asked from David to buy from the supermarket. Go to the supermarket, David, and all these things list is there, so you buy. So he went to the supermarket on his bicycle and left it in front of the shop. He parked his bicycle in front of the shop. He forgot something. What he forgot? He forgot something. So he forgot to lock it. Oh my god. So he forgot to lock his bicycle. so anyone would come and take his bicycle. So what happened next? When he came out of the shop, he couldn't find his bicycle. Oh my god, now it is stolen or what? So when he came out from the shop, he is unable, he couldn't find his bicycle. He knew it had been stolen. He was very upset. So he went home and told his mother. So about this incident, he went home and he told his mother that, mother, someone had stolen my bicycle. So what his mother suggested? His mother said, let's go to the police station and report the theft. They immediately set out for the police station. So they went to the police station to report the theft, the stole for the bicycle. Imagine their joy when they arrived at the station and saw. So when they arrived at this police station, and what they saw? They saw David's bicycle in the boot of a car. So such a happy moment. So his bicycle was lost, and when they came back to report the theft of the bicycle at the police station, so before entering that, when they arrived at the police station, what they saw, that his bicycle was kept in the boot of a car. The driver told Mary, I saw a group of boys steal the bicycle. So when they went to inquire about that bicycle kept in the boot of the car, what the driver said, he said that I saw a group of boys steal the bicycle. I followed them. So he followed them. And when they stopped at a traffic light, I told them the bicycle was mine. So how he got back the bicycle? That a stranger person, okay, at the traffic signal, when the group of boys stopped, okay, he told them that this bicycle belongs to him. So the boys were afraid and ran away. The driver and the police handed back the bicycle to David after giving him a lecture on the importance of locking a bicycle. So what happened next? Okay, so the driver, that the stranger person, okay, and the police, they handed over the bicycle to David, okay, but they gave him some lecture, some suggestion that you shouldn't be like this. You have to lock your bicycle, okay. So whenever you park a bicycle, you have to lock it. The driver and the police said David that don't be so careless about such things. After ruffling David's hair, the driver quietly slipped away without even giving Mary and David his name or mobile number. So he went away. So this story is about the kindness of this stranger, the person who David and Mary don't know, and that person don't know whose bicycle it was, but just a thought came in his mind when he saw the group of boys taking the bicycle from the supermarket area. He thought that they were stealing the bicycle, and his prediction went correct. Okay, it was his correct intuition in his mind that they were stealing the bicycle, and he went to report about this theft to the police station, and there David and Mary, they also came to report about that stolen bicycle. And when they arrived at the police station, what they saw, their David's bicycle was kept in the boot of a car, okay. So the stranger, being kind, being generous, being helpful, considerate, and try to help out for the situation. It is a very good thing. We should help others. Okay, thank you.